Hi, I'm Megan, and I'm leaving a review for Spooky 2. I have several pieces of equipment, so I'll go over the things that I do have, and I have the Plasma Central Kit coming soon, and I'm really excited about that because I was a theoretical believer in the ability of frequency to heal our bodies, minds, and spirits. But now I can see it in action, and it's very exciting. It's very exciting. I had good instincts on that, and Spooky 2 delivered. So thank you, Spooky 2, and your customer service has been wonderful, very sweet, and attentive and helpful. Always responds, always obliges, and I'm very grateful for that. It almost feels like a really sweet community so far. I'm part of a few Facebook groups, and it's very helpful. Spooky 2 for Life, Spooky Scalar, Spooky Success Stories, all very, a lot of information that new users will need. So anyway, this is my massage studio, and I use Spooky 2. Here's my scalar with my carved quartz crystal cup that I use for water imprinting. Yes, and my Spooky 2 setup. And so there's my XM generators and stickers. I've been playing with imprinting. There's my Generator X Pro. Here's some stickers that I've been using. I hope I'm getting good video of this, but here's my massage studio. Comes with a cat or two. And on the other receiving end of the scalar, I've got some vitamins being imprinted into that water. And yeah, so the frequency, the things that I have seen so far for the frequencies, biofeedback has been really helpful. I feel I had a case of toenail fungus and a wart that I realized disappeared after doing biofeedback. And so that's a big deal. I mean, it's hard to get rid of toenail fungus, and I had been trying, for the last decade. So yeah, so that was a pleasant surprise. And just my general well-being feels, feels improved. I feel I have some issues when I go to sleep. I'd have a menopausal symptoms that would gang up on me with some restless leg and some nerve paresthesia, some nerve damage I had in my foot, and they'd all just kind of tag team and keep me up at night. And I've used Spooky 2 through remote, and now some stickers that and restless leg is, I hardly ever feel restless leg anymore, and that's a blessing because that's annoying, really annoying. And so those things have improved. The nerve pain, the nerve sensations, the numbness and tingling has improved. It's not gone, but it's on its way out because I haven't put a lot of time into it yet, and not being consistent because I have other people I want to help too, aside from just myself, So I have friends, families, clients, all benefiting. I have a person that had hemorrhoids really bad, possibly a rectal prolapse, and have been running remote from 2 states away And that we've had probably a 95% improvement in those symptoms, and so that's amazing. Um, my granddaughter got sick with influenza B, and as soon as I found out what strain it was, I put us all in the remote because we've been exposed to her, my daughter and myself. And the next day, she didn't have any symptoms. You know, she was much improved, and my daughter and I didn't get sick at all. So that's great. And I mean, there's just been so many things, you know, big things, small things, emotional things. I've had depression, and that's better. Just my overall well-being is much better, and I am so grateful for Spooky 2, and I'm really excited to see what's next with the plasma when that comes. So maybe you'll see me again giving another review about the plasma. So thank you, Spooky 2. It's an amazing technology, and thank you so much for your generosity and your goodwill towards humanity and what you're doing, your service to humanity, the world. I appreciate you so much. Thank you, and be well.